Hey guys, so I lost most of my clients. Yep, that's the cruel reality. And in light of that, I decided to create a YouTube channel. Just to give you a little bit of context. My name is Jakob, I'm 24 years old and I come from Slovenia. I'm a co-owner of a SaaS platform called Shopamine. So in connection with Shopamine, I managed most of the clients that were present in the manufacturing section or the industrial section, where currently in Slovenia and most European countries the crisis came. Just a small one that is still subtle, but the expenses of the companies just started skyrocketing and the profits fell. So yeah, most of the contracts ended and some of the companies really went under. And because of all that, I was left with, let's say, a few clients in a place that I really don't want to be. So we now come to the question, why really YouTube? Well, I made a personal bet that I cannot get 1 million channel views by the end of this year. I think that I can get there. So yeah, that's the first thing. The second one is I really want to share my personal brand, but the most important one for me is to share my knowledge and experience and to teach people something new with the knowledge that I gathered through running the agency, through helping build a SaaS product for the last 2 to 3 years. So what will we talk about on this channel, or what will this channel be about? Well, firstly, I'm gonna be honest. I'll post the victories and the failures. But regarding the content, I'm gonna post real tactics, how to do SEO, how to do automations, how to set them up, how to run automations, how to optimize your digital presence, how to use AI, how to prompt, so everything that is really necessary to run a business. Then we're gonna take a look behind the scenes on how am I trying to rebuild my own business. And lastly, I will try to share some personal growth, that's the type of content that I'm gonna be posting. So if you're building something too, you're not alone. Subscribe to my channel.